Hello, this is Bear from Elliott Wave. How's it going? Here's a new video on ETH. Today we're gonna look at what could be happening. We've seen a crazy past days since Monday actually of this week. We've seen ETH going much lower, and today we're gonna analyze what could be happening. We'll see a few different scenarios. I'll go over them very briefly. Of course, you can find more details in VVS. Link is in the description. But yeah, we'll go over them. We'll see what's happening, what could be happening, and what is my favorite scenario. So we're gonna start with my favorite, which is the one you see on the screen. So this is a 1 hour chart, but I'd like to take you to 4 hours so I can zoom out. So this count is very bullish. I'm not gonna lie about it. So, but I like to say bullish because I don't see yet any sign telling me that we may resume lower. So after this 1 and 2, potentially we could be either in wave 3 and we could be in the making of wave 4. We'll go over that in just a second to this minuet wave 4, or potentially the red waves you see should be moved 1 degree lower so that we make wave 1. Wave 1 goes here at the end of this move up of wave 3. So this of course would be much more bullish, with having wave 1 of 3 just completed of high degree wave 5. So for this stage, I think it's safe to say this is a scenario. So one less move up, and then sideways in 4, up for 5, perhaps to get around 8,000. Because we know 8 is a fib number, 8 is also the strongest number in the market, and that could be a scenario. Another scenario is that potentially, so far we've had 3 ways to the upside. Whether you count this as a low or not, we have up, down, up. So it's possible that this turns into an extended flat. Once again, let's say it's possible. So what would that mean? It would mean that perhaps this wave 4 ended somewhere around here, and we would be into, and now I have to take you to the daily, we would be into, so wave 3 would be here, and we would be into wave 4, which could pair up with this wave 2 from 2019, which ended with the COVID lows. That's possible. That's of course a very bearish scenario. Other thing that could happen is a bit more bullish, so still similar to the scenario I just showed you, where we're just making, here we have a wave 1 in place, and we could go a bit lower to then resume higher. But that would be also very bullish. So at this point, really, I would like to focus on my favorite scenario, my preferred scenario, I should say. And but I had to tell you, I wanted to tell you the other scenarios that I see. Also, remember that I'm not a financial advisor, so these are not financial advices. So just do your own diligence before deciding to enter the market, as it's very risky. So let's go on to let's say 15 minutes. And analyze the most recent move down. Okay, so let's see. So basically, I have a 5 here because I see this as an ending diagonal into wave 5. So, this wave, it is impossible to count this as wave 1 because it would start here. But let's say you place wave 5 here. So here you could either have wave 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and then further downside, so 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Or something more like this, where you have wave down in A, B, C for OB micro degree, and then down for wave C, which I just lost. My apologies. There we go. Here it is. So in this case, this scenario, perhaps we could be near the end of it, this could be some kind of ending diagonal into wave C. So perhaps we may get one less move down, but then I would like to see further upside. So that's a possibility. As I said, either this ABC, or I think some of you may say 1 and 2, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. So let's see what I just wanted to go over what's happening and what could be happening. So of course it's up to the market telling us what is actually happening. So that was it for me today. As always, please leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss out on the next update. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.